In this video, I am going to share with you some of the common challenges for the application of risk management principles. They are not in any order of priority, so the numbering is just so that I keep the flow with the presentation. Let's look at the first one. Lack of strong risk culture. Absence of a robust risk culture is a fundamental challenge for many institutions. Without a culture that emphasizes the importance of risk management, employees may not be able to integrate risk management into their day-to-day activities. At number 2, we have insufficient leadership support. This is a very common one across many organizations. Effective risk management requires strong support from senior leadership. When leaders do not prioritize or actively engage in risk management activities, it can result in a lack of resources, insufficient communication, and minimal accountability for risk management efforts. This disconnect can undermine the effectiveness of risk management programs. At number 3, resources constraints. Organizations often face limitations in terms of financial, human, and technological resources dedicated to risk management. Insufficient resources can hinder the development and implementation of comprehensive risk management strategies, leading to superficial assessments and inadequate responses to identified risks. At number 4, you have inconsistent risk management processes. Many organizations struggle with inconsistent or immature risk management processes. This inconsistency can arise from varying practices across departments or business units, leading to gaps in how risks are identified, assessed, and managed. A lack of a standardized process can result in inefficiencies and missed opportunities for collaboration. At number 5, you have complexity and interconnectedness of risk. The modern business environment is characterized by complex and interrelated risks that are challenging to identify and manage effectively. Organizations may find it difficult to adopt a holistic approach that considers all types of risks and how they interact with each other. Poor communication is at number 6, and this is another very important one. Effective communication is essential for successful risk management. However, many organizations struggle with conveying risk information clearly and consistently. Poor communication can lead to misunderstandings about risks and mitigation strategies, resulting in misalignment among stakeholders. At number 7, you have limited visibility into risks. Organizations often lack a centralized view of their risk landscape due to data silos across departments. This limited visibility makes it challenging to develop a comprehensive understanding of potential risks and their impacts across the organization. At number 8, you have overemphasis on compliance, the tick-a-box approach. Some organizations approach risk management primarily as a compliance exercise rather than as a strategic tool for decision-making. The compliance-focused mindset can limit the effectiveness of risk management efforts by neglecting broader strategic considerations and opportunities for improvement. At number 9, we have inadequate awareness and training programs. Without proper training and awareness programs, employees may not fully understand their roles in risk management process. This lack of knowledge can lead to inconsistencies in how risks are managed and an inability to recognize potential threats effectively. At number 10, you have neglecting emerging risks. Organizations often overlook emerging risks that may not be present in traditional risk frameworks. Failing to stay attuned to evolving threats can leave organizations vulnerable to new challenges that could impact their operations or strategic objectives. These are the top 10 common challenges in implementing and applying principles of risk management in organizations. I am discussing these right at the fore of the course so that as we navigate through the course content, you can be sure that you gather enough skills that will ensure that you do not face these same common challenges. Thank you.